Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Christina Manurung. It's a precious chance for me to be your master of ceremony on this very special occasion, offset and digital printing. First of all, let us say thanks to our Almighty God because He still blessed us until today, so we can gather together here even though through Zoom meeting. I would like to welcome Mr. Rehan as our speaker today and all of the audience. On this special day, we have several agenda as follows. The first is speech from Mr. Rehan as the speaker. The second is main lecture from Regin about offset printing. The third is main lecture from Salsabila about digital printing. And the last agenda, there are giveaway to all of the audience for the give a best answer. Okay, let us start our ceremony. The first is speech. The speech will be delivered by Mr. Rehan. For Mr. Rehan, time is yours.
Thanks for the time, Miss Christina. Well, hello everyone. My name is Emran Octaviansyah. I won't be long. There's only several words that I want to say to all of you. First of all, I want to say thanks to everyone who prepared or attend this event. So, thank you so much for your time. And then I hope this event will bring a good impact for everyone. And I also hope this event will answer some of your questions and make Indonesia's textile will be better than ever. So yeah, that is from me. Thanks for your attention. Back to Miss Christina.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rehan. The next agenda is main lecture from Regin. For Regin, time is yours.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Christina, for giving me the time and opportunity. Now I will explain about offset printing. What is offset printing? Offset printing, also called lithography. Offset printing is a process, digital printing technique with output is following. It is suitable for commercial job regularly. For example, daily newspaper print in a press in bundle to be circulated across a large area. Traditional offset printing is a print method that uses aluminum thread to transfer ink onto a rubber sheet. The image is rolled onto the printed surface. The print method is considered offset is because the ink is not transferred to the paper directly. This method is generally considered the best option when printing large quantities. Also, there is a significant initial cost to set up the equipment. Additional units become relatively less expensive as quantity increase. Offset printing allows a wide range of print media to be used during production. It allows the printer to use different paper types, custom finish, and a wide variety of ink. The high-quality image produced through offset printing makes it the preferred method, especially among graphic designers when seeking the greatest level of color resolution, detail, and professional-looking print. I think that's enough of the offset printer. I return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Regin. The next agenda is main lecture from Salsabila. For Salsabila, time is yours.
Thank you for the time. I'm Salsabila. I will explain about digital printing. In digital printing, ink is transferred directly onto the surface, rather than relying on aluminum plates and rubber blankets to transfer an image. Digital printing uses liquid ink during production. Traditional home inkjet printers are one of the most common digital printing methods. Digital printing requires no manual setup. It's extremely effective for use with smaller quantity runs. In fact, it is far more cost-effective than offset printing for low-volume projects. Because of the lack of setup, digital printing is also a quick process, capable of completing project on short notice or finishing a job when a deadline is quickly approaching. Advantage of digital printing: 1. Setup costs are lower for short runs. 2. Lower minimum quantities as low as 1, 20, or 50 pieces. 3. Inexpensive black and white digital printing. 4. Variable data capability, names, code, or numbering can be done easily. I think that's enough. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Salsabila. That's the lecture from Regin and Salsabila. Thank you very much for your very good lecture. May all of us get the value and benefits from the lecture. Okay, now we come to the question session. The question session is open. Please unmute who want to ask. Okay, Santi.
Okay, I'm Santangreni. I want to ask something. The question is, which one is cheaper between offset and digital?
Okay, Mr. Rehan want to answer the question?
I would love to. So yeah, okay, thanks for the question, Miss Santi. Actually, about which one is more expensive depends on the quality and the quantity. But I will try to answer the question with all my best. So digital printing has a higher cost per page than traditional printing method. But this price is usually got evened by avoiding the cost of all the technical steps required to make printing plates. It also allows for on-demand printing, short turnaround time, and a modification of the image that we'll use. The saving in labor costs and the ever-increasing capability of digital presses mean that digital printing is reaching the point where it can match or supersede offset printing technology's ability to produce larger print runs of several thousand sheets at a low price. That enough, Miss Santi?
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rehan and Santi. Seem obvious enough, yeah? Now, I will ask the audience, and this is giveaway. For the explanation above, is digital printing suitable for the company's next project? Can anyone answer?
Okay. I want to answer the question. Offset and digital are both useful printing method. Each have particular benefit depending on your project requirement. When you need large runs of a project into the hundred or thousand, or are using a specific brand-centric Pantone color, offset printing is the only way to go. You can also use a much wider variety of custom paper and specialty inks, such as metallic or fluorescent inks in the offset process.
Okay, Santi, thank you. Yay, you get a gift, Santi. Please contact the commit to receive your gift, yeah? Well, ladies
Yeah,
and
thank
gentlemen,
you.
thank you very much for your attention. Okay, and so be wise, we can meet in the next time. Okay, thank you guys. Bye-bye.